You said that Wave AI isn't about replacing artists, but co-creating with them. Tell me a little bit about how you see co-creating, because obviously that's what brought you here.
Already in 2017, there was this lack of trust around it amongst consumers, which is really
Yeah.
interesting. And that's definitely been amplified today. And that's because there are so many tools that come in that purport to help us be more creative. But really, they're just doing it instead of us. These tools can authentically be used to profoundly and meaningfully elevate human creativity. Users are smart. They can tell. They can tell what's happening. They can tell if they're getting better or worse. So, one thing that maybe I shouldn't be sharing, but I like to share is that some of our users stop paying for our products because they have become better songwriters. They got to where they want to go. And I think that's fantastic. I think that's fantastic. And some of our users stay with us forever because they still gain value further up the chain, right? But ultimately, the way to make a successful product with AI is to have it give real value and elevate the user and help them learn and help them grow, not just foster addiction and dependence, right? Because sometimes when you build a product to try to foster addiction and dependence, what you create is a one-hit wonder that nobody comes back to.
Well, and you're in the valley too. It's almost like, okay, where is the addiction in your model? How do we make users not be able to live without you? Where's your moat?